Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Gold Silver News. My name is Christian Garcia. The big news last week was Slovakia held the world hostage for about a day when they went ahead and denied the bailout fund or to support the rescue bailout fund for the 440 billion euros. That lasted for about a day. They, of course, got a lot of pressure, and finally, their parliament on Friday did officially approve to back up and support the EFSF bailout fund. So now all 17 countries of the EU have signed on, and that means that the EU has 440 billion euros to play with to go ahead and bail out the countries that are in need. But right now, currently, we're still playing chicken between Germany and Greece and the EU. Obviously, Germany wants Greece to take, or wants Greek bondholders to take big haircuts. A UBS chief strategist or economist has gone on record and suggested that bondholders should take about 100% haircut instead of a 50% haircut proposed by Angela Merkel from Germany. So there's a lot of debate going on. The markets aren't reacting well to it. You're seeing a lot of pressure being put on the stock market, and coincidentally, or counterintuitively, normally precious metals should be going up in circumstances like this, but lately we've been noticing that the precious metals have been moving in tandem with the stock market. For whatever reason, it's going on, but it doesn't matter. Remember, at the end of the day, Mike Maloney says that everything that's going on right now is just white noise to the eventual revaluation of gold and silver. Right now, currently, the Dow gold ratio sits at 6.9, meaning it's taking 6.9 ounces of gold to buy one share of the Dow. In the beginning of the year, it was taking 8.5. So we're still ahead of the game. And the Dow gold silver ratio, the silver gold ratio is up to 53, whereas earlier this year, in the beginning of the year, it was about 67. So we're actually still ahead on that end. This all bodes well for precious metals. And keep in mind, with the EU now having 440 billion euros to play with to bail out whichever country, at the end of the day, that's going to lead to inflation, because once they start putting that money into circulation, into use, that's going to go ahead and obviously increase the base supply, base supply in Europe. It's all going to go ahead and add to inflation. The question is, when will they pull the trigger? In the meantime, right now you're seeing silver trade between $29 and $32. It temporarily broke $32 over the weekend and last week. It couldn't hold it. Resistance is around 33, which is where the price fell originally in May when we first had the first takeout. Gold has been trading between 1600 and 1690. It's meeting resistance around that area of 1690, 1700. Either way, it's trading between that range, and it's been doing that for the last couple of weeks. In times like these, what I suggest you guys can do that are listening, our fans, is log into your account. If you don't have one, create one, but you have the ability to do what's called spot price notifications. That way you can go ahead and set your highs and your lows, and really don't pay attention to the market or what's going on, because if you follow the prices every day, you're going to go ahead and give yourself a heart attack. So just go ahead, buy and hold. That's all we're doing. We're not day traders. So just buy it, hold it, and if you want to continue accumulating, just set those spot price notifications. Let us notify you when we reach your price target, so you can go ahead and buy. And right now, it's a perfect opportunity to buy on the dips. Today, it's the prices are down compared to last week of being around. Silver was around 3,200, gold was around 1,688. Right now, the numbers are well below that, about 3 to 4% below those numbers. So set those spot price notifications. Don't worry, like Mike says, this is all white noise. And go ahead and leave any comments you have below. I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching. Again, like Mike says, until the time comes, stay the course, stay focused, and keep accumulating. Thank you for watching. Bye.